Today we're going to talk about cooking the macrobiotic way. So since we have a full pantry full of all of our dry ingredients, the main thing that you need to keep in stock to create meals is fresh produce. And we have a huge array of beautiful fresh produce here. We have all of our different vegetables, our greens. We also have a garden out back where we have a lot of other greens and fresh herbs growing. So we always have the produce that we need to make our meal. Now at this point, before I begin the actual cooking, I like to visualize what I want my finished food to look like. I think it's really important to have a clear vision of how you want the dish to look, because while you're preparing it, you keep referring back to the vision of how you want the finished product to look, how you want the presentation to look. This is why I say sometimes it's nice to have a little theme so you don't have different nationality foods, things that don't really go together, all in one meal. And I like to display it all at the end, which we'll show you at the end when we finish cooking. And so I like to have, a really clear vision in my mind of what I want this whole meal to come out looking like, the energy I want it to convey.